Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove Apple ID from iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you want to remove Apple ID from your iPhone or iPad, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your settings tab. Now in settings, you just have to tap on your Apple ID or the name here, and here just scroll down and look for the sign out option. Here's the sign out. You must have to select this sign out option here and then select in which way you want to sign out. If you want to sign out and erase your iPhone, so you can select the first option. It will completely factory reset your iPhone with including your Apple ID or your iPhone ID. So once you have done so, you can select this option if you want to erase your iPhone, or if you don't want to erase your iPhone, just only delete or sign out your Apple ID. So you can select the second option here, and here just have on the continue option, and here just select continue anyway. Now tap on continue again, and here you must have to enter your Apple ID password. So once you have entered your Apple ID password, just scroll up and you just have to look for the sign out option here. So once you have tapped on sign out, your account will be completely signed out from your iPhone or from your iPhone. So in this way, you can easily sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.